In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy Bluehost web hosting step by step so you know exactly what to expect before you spend any money. First, open your web browser and go to the official Bluehost website by typing the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser. This helps you avoid any confusing ads or lookalike pages and makes sure you're in the right place from the start. Once you're on the Bluehost homepage, take a moment to let the page load fully. You'll usually see a prominent button or link labeled Hosting or Get Started, but what you're looking for specifically is the pricing section. Look near the top navigation menu for something that says Hosting or Web Hosting, and then choose the option that takes you to pricing. If there is a direct pricing link, you can click that as well. This will open the page where all the available web hosting plans are listed. On the pricing page, you'll see several different hosting plans laid out side by side. These are typically labeled something like Basic Plus, Choice Plus, or Pro, or a similar structure. Each plan represents a different level of resources and features. The basic plan is usually designed for people who are just starting out with a single website, while the higher tiers are aimed at users who need more websites, storage, or advanced tools. Take your time here and read through what each plan includes. Look at things like how many websites you can host, how much storage is offered, whether a free domain is included for the first year, and what kind of security or backup options are available. Even though the instructions are simple, this is the moment where you make the main decision that affects what you pay and what you get. If you're unsure which plan to choose, think about your immediate needs. If you're launching your first personal site or small business site and don't expect a lot of traffic right away, the lowest plan is often enough. If you already know you'll be running multiple websites or expect more visitors and need extra flexibility, it may be worth going for a mid-range or higher plan. Once you've decided, click the button under the plan you want. This might say Select, Get Started, or something similar. Clicking that will take you into the checkout process. During checkout, Bluehost will guide you through a few simple pages. You'll normally be asked whether you want to register a new domain name or use a domain you already own. Choose the option that matches your situation and follow the prompts. Then you'll be asked to confirm the hosting term length, like 12, 24, or 36 months. Longer terms often lower the monthly cost, but they also require a bigger payment upfront, so pick what fits your budget. Next, review any optional add-ons that appear, such as extra security, backups, or privacy features. You can uncheck anything you don't need right now to keep costs down, and you can usually add them later if you change your mind. Finally, enter your payment details and your account information carefully. Double-check the total price and the plan you selected, and then complete the purchase. After that, Bluehost will create your account and send you a confirmation email so you can log in and start setting up your website.